Hello, this is Itsu. Okay, I'm following with great interest this Ruslan replication attempt you guys are doing. And I'm also in the process of doing an attempt to replicate. I'm just collecting the parts and the circuits. Just a short overview where I am at the moment. I built the coil, Kesher coil combination. This is the Kesher coil, the primary. I have a simple Kesher circuit at the moment. Just 12 volts from a battery to this primary coil, and this is the more elaborate coil with the 48 turns, 24 turns, 12 turns, vice versa, clockwise, counterclockwise, counterclockwise. And I have the Kesher linked to some inductance to this, what is it, 5 turns coil surrounding L3, which is 2 times, I think, 25 turns, yeah, 50 turns. So the coil is ready to go, I guess. I have hooked up here a 0.47 microfarad 470 nanofarad cap. Together with the L3 it resonates at 26.5 kilohertz, so very close to this 27 kilohertz. I have some an older builds with a TL494 with the MOSFET drivers and the MOSFETs, which I want to use for the TL494 part. I have my yoke ready to be built for the 2 times 6 turns and 28 turns secondary and the 3 turns. I have also parts ordered for this Kesher driving circuit, but I'm not sure if I will use it. I still have my nano pulsar from the early Delhi replication, and it produces a very high 1500 kilovolt, 1500 volts, 1.5 kilovolt nano pulse, which I probably can use if I input it in instead of the Kesher on the big coil. The reason why I don't like the Kesher is because it's very unstable. Let me try to connect up the Kesher. It's the only part that's working. You can see the CFL is lighting up. I have hooked up my high voltage probe to the antenna part of the floating part of the coil, and I use my O1 to show the signal, and you can see we have 3200 volts peak to peak at 721 kilohertz. But when I approach my hand to the coil, you can see it's changing frequency. So it's not really stable, so I don't know if it's usable, but I put it there. But I'm planning, if possible, to use my nanopulse when I finished the rest of the circuit. As I understand it, this should run at well, 27 or 26.5 in my case kilohertz push pull, and one of the link goes to this cache, and in my case goes to the nanopulsar, so which is half of the frequency. So we have 27 here, so we have something like 13.5 kilohertz here, which means that every other pulse of this one I get a peak on top of the sine wave. I guess that's the big idea. I have done some measurements on the coil and have some data, but I'm not sure if it's important. Okay, still waiting on some parts for building this part, but I'm not sure if I'm going to use it. I think I will try to use my nanopulse to mix in with the 27 kilohertz coming from the TL27. Okay, this is where I am at the moment. Thank you for watching.